Dani Dodge Prime was a tribute to our places of peace and a recognition of the importance of the health of our desert environment. A solo show by Dani Dodge at the Museum of Art and History, Moah Cedar location in Lancaster, California. The show ran from November 2022 to January 2023. The roots of the show began with Dani's year-long residency at the Prime Desert Woodland Preserve in Lancaster. During that residency, she hiked the trails of the urban preserve and held monthly art activations to engage the public in art in and about the desert. In Moah Cedar's North Gallery, Dani constructed an interactive environment inspired by dawn at the preserve, a time she found the most peace. She asked visitors to share their places of peace and pin them to the maze-like installation, hoping to inspire them to dig deep in their hearts and hold those places in reverence. Hundreds of people did, together eliciting a new meaning for the installation with each note. The maze was created with long panels of sheer fabric painted with scenes that Dani witnessed on her walks in the preserve. She used gold leaf to celebrate the desert's value, spray paint to denote the urban encroachment, and pastels because they are one of the most pure and enduring forms of art, an endurance she hopes translates to the Joshua tree she loves so much. The sound she created for the piece incorporates field recordings from dawn in the preserve and notes from her cello. At the center of both the north and south galleries, Dani hung the coils dug up from the Mojave Desert. The long ago discarded and buried coils, probably from mattresses or car seats, were reshaped by that desert environment. The desert's impact on this human debris was highlighted through detailing with gold paint. In the South Gallery, Dodge showed 3 separate collections of work. A video installation featured animals captured on motion sensor video cameras she had set out in the preserve. In the gallery in front of those videos, Dani floated transparent images of what is typically seen by humans in the preserve. With this juxtaposition, she hoped viewers would allow their imaginations to see into the spaces between what is seen and what is not seen. Dani's collection of paintings in gold leaf detailed 4 years of documenting the Joshua trees in the Mojave National Preserve. It was a time of great turbulence in the artist's life, and it was also a time of a massive fire in the Mojave that wiped out more than 1 million Joshua trees. And a collection of miniatures depicting baby Joshua tree sprouts spell out in Morse code the importance of saving nature. Dani Dodge Prime was an exploration of place, an acknowledgment of the impact and power of location as an inspiration and means to transporting us beyond ourselves. I hope you enjoyed this show and will search for your own places of peace to protect and to treasure.